Good evening, everybody. We meet in another lesson plan. It's a simple one just for novice teachers. Those experienced teachers could prepare their own lesson plans. This one is just to show the way a lesson should be, that lesson of degree adverbs could be prepared. I started my lesson plan with writing the theme, which is intercultural exchanges. The unit is getting through. The lesson is degree adverbs. Here I have written the sequence, which is reading and writing. Competencies are interacting, interpreting, and producing. The aim of this lesson is to use degree adverbs with ordinary adjectives and to differentiate between gradable and non-gradable adjectives. I have divided my table into 5 sections. The first one is the time allotted for each part, the stages, rationale, and interaction pattern. Here you can delete that section. The last one is the procedure. Here you could have 2 sections, one for teachers' tasks and the other for learners' tasks. Here I have devoted just 1 section for the procedure. It means the interaction between teachers and learners. The time allotted for the first stage, I have mentioned 15 minutes. It could be less and it could be more, depends on your students. The first stage is presentation. The rationale of that stage is students need to be exposed to the new language forms. The procedure, the teacher asks learners to read Alan's email. Here it could be the email you have used for the reading and writing section. It could be also the email of Kirsty, which is in the book, in the book of the Crossroads. Depends on the text which you have used in reading and writing, as I have said. I have used an email, Alan's email. The teacher asks learners to read Alan's email and pick out the synonym of the word hectic. Here learners are invited to get help from dictionaries so that they understand the word hectic. The teacher interacts orally with learners about the synonyms by asking questions. Hectic, it's first, learners will find that hectic means very busy. You can write that on the board. Hectic equals very plus busy. Hectic, it's an extreme, you explain to learners. Extreme adjective. Very, it's the degree adverb which we add to the ordinary adverb. When we add a degree adverb to an ordinary adverb, when we add a degree adverb to an ordinary adjective, we get an extreme adjective. Here, extreme adjective couldn't be used with degree adverbs, while ordinary adjectives could be used with degree adverbs. Here the teacher could give another example to learners. He could give them very good, the degree adverb very plus the adjective good, and asks them what is the extreme adjective. Here learners can easily guess that it's excellent. The teacher explains that gradable adjectives can have different degrees and are used with degree adverbs, while non-gradable adjectives cannot be used with degree adverbs. Then the teacher asks learners to provide other degree adverbs like quite, fairly, rather, a bit, extremely, or he can pick them out from the text which he has, like Alan's email or Kirsty's email. Then the teacher asks learners to arrange them on the line according to their degree. Here the adverbs are arranged according to their degree. A bit, fairly. A bit could be 0. No, it's not 0. It's 5%. Could be 5%. Sorry, I haven't written that here. Fairly could be 30%. Rather could be 60%. Very could be 80%, and extremely could be from 99% to 100, etc. Here the next stage after that one is the practice. The time allotted is 15 minutes. Here I have just set the time for the 45 minutes which we have now. Practice, that stage is practice. The students, the rationale from it is students need to practice to remember the new language forms and to explore the use, meaning and the forms of the new language form, of course. Here the tasks I have given 2 tasks. The task number 1, teacher asks learners to compare between the sizes of different objects, or depends which task you have set here. Task 2, it's in their book, in their course book, which is task 2, page 23. You could correct it here. It's another practice activity. Next stage is the production or the use. It could be production or use. The rationale is the time allotted is 15 minutes. To use the new language form, to use the new language forms in daily life situations. Here it's task 3. Write a short paragraph in which you describe the weather in different places in Algeria. Make use of the degree adverbs learned so far. Here learners are invited to use the language form which is degree adverbs. With degree adverbs, they use them in a situation of their daily life. And that's the lesson plan. It's a simple one that I have prepared recently for that lesson. You could modify it, you could add or use different tasks. That's it. Wish you good luck and goodbye.